welcome back to my friend's YouTube channel. So guys, I got a mail, and guys, welcome back to my friend's YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that big thumbs up, please, because and she's coming. So I'm gonna open the box to see what's inside of the box. So yeah, I'm gonna open the box right now. Okay, so I don't know what's inside this box. Guys, let's go inside the box. Come on, guys. It's her, the girl, guys. Kindly say,
hey, what's up?
subscribe, get that big thumbs up.
Good. So what are we doing today?
Come. Guys,
I'm
gonna get her out.
Aries.
Aries is a woman. I have my makeup here. I have my lashes. Boobs, butt, hips in the making.
Right.
Okay.
I have clothes over here, leggings, and a full-on wig.
Okay.
You know, I'm about to get this.
Okay, I had to get her out. Okay.
You ready? Hello. Today's video. We're turning you into a.
Guys, so I'm gonna get her out right now.
You
With it.
I'm not ready for this stuff. Not for that.
Oh,
It's too early for this.
come.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, the real one wake up at like 5 a.m. to get to 7 a.m. I'm not 5 or 6.
Look at your subscribers.
I'll be doing it. Like,
So this is